Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if some of the keys in your keyboard is not working if you're using Windows 11. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods to fix that problem. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Most of the time this method works. So first method is just go to search bar and search for keyboard troubleshoot. And if you search for keyboard troubleshoot, it will show you this find and fix keyboard problems. Just click on it. Then click on advanced option. Then check mark this apply repairs automatically. Then click next. And it will just detect any problem if you're having any problem in your keyboard, and it will just fix if there any problem in your keyboard that you're having right now. So after that, you just need to close and restart your PC and see if this fixes your keyboard problem. And if that doesn't work for you, there's another method. Is just go to search bar again, search for device manager and click to open the device manager. Then you need to find your keyboard option, just expand that option, and here you just need to right click on both of these HID keyboard device and just go to the update driver option. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers and just reinstall the driver from here. So just click next and it will reinstall your updated drivers, and then close it and again do this for the standard PS2 keyboard. And after that, you just need to restart your PC and see if there's work for you. And if also that doesn't work for you, the last method you can do is just click on uninstall device and also click on uninstall device for both of them. And then you just need to restart your PC again and hope this will work for you, and check if the keys are working on your Windows 11 PC. So that's it guys. These are the three methods that I show you. Most of the time this fixes the problem. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.